Hello everyone, my name is Kelvin Ng. In this video 109, we're going to talk about the part 3 of the continuation of the video from the 108, which is the part 3. Yeah? Now I'm going to talk about the last item here, which is called the amount. I need to show the amount. Now this is going to be the easiest among the three of them. Now it's not going to be complicated this round. It's going to be a lot easy. So actually what I need to do is I just need to tell them equals to, I go to the corner, I just click, see, equal to table 1. So I can already have the information. It's just that I need to rearrange this in a way that is in the column. So all I need to do now is to remove the first column here. I don't need the first column. Now, in order to remove the first column, we're going to use what we just learned in the previous video. We're going to do some drop. We're going to tell them to drop. Now, how many row do you want to drop? None. So just comma. How many column you want to drop? The first column. The first column. So I'm going to close the bracket. Ta-da, you see, I only have this. So what I'm going to happen is that this is going to be week 1, week 2, week 1, week 2, week 1, week 2. So I want to turn this into a column. So I say 2 column. And that's it. So press enter. Ta-da, done. Right, so it's not exactly very complicated. So you just have to highlight this and bring it to the number format with 1000 separator, but no decimal. So I'm going to put there, you go, and put it in the center. So that's the number. How cool is that, right? So if I have week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, so this is going to be 10,000. Okay, then the next one is going to be, sorry, not 2, but 100,000. There you go. So all I need to do is just make sure that this is also changed to 20,000. And this is 30,000. Okay, so then the next one here is going to be 200,000. And this is going to be 300,000. There you go. See, I have almost everything here. Done. All right, so just put it in the middle. There you go. So if I have customer 4, and this is going to be 400, it's going to be 4,000, this is going to be 40,000, and the last one is 400,000. There you go. There you go. It's done. It's dynamic, right? So whenever this data is being updated, it can be from your pivot table, it can be from any other kind of a work that these people are updating in this report. You can actually convert it into a tabular format now. So if you wish to do this, you can follow through this video, part 1, part 2, part 3. Okay, so I hope you like this video, and please remember, like I always say, like and share the video, subscribe to my YouTube. You have a YouTube channel if you have not done so. So I will see you in video 110 soon. Thank you so much, and all the best to all of you. Bye.